Saya. Saya. GoPro. Hello. Abangan nyo guys. Abangan nyo guys. Part 42.
Yung total kay sa kanila siya.
Guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Guys, cameraman tayo ngayon ng part 42 and pre-birthday
Sinabi mo
meron tayo guys. So guys, yun, kumangin po ang kaganapan sa photoshoot po ng EDSI. Mabibigla po kayo sobra. So, guys, mga kasamahan natin.
we rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Sabi mo yung mama mo?
Night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand
Bro, pag lang ang bag mo.
we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Araw-araw maghihintay, pulls down from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
Sa college mo, ano ko attendant ka talaga? Ano ka? Nurse? Nurse? Tourism ka ba? Tourism? FA? FA? Ganyan si FA. Pag FA, wala na.
Wala man dito ano na.
Tourism? Sa Lako.
Manila pa. Ako sa Naga wala rin.
Meron sa Naga? Yung CS? Oo. Pero kung mag-nurse ka, ma-nurse ka?
Kasi parang ma-audition ka muna
Hindi naman
dyan.
ko nurse na pero
Bago ka makapag-aral dyan.
hindi mo eh.
Bawa, nag-ano ka.
Ang hirap kasi pag pala sakitin ka. Sakitin ka? Hindi.
Hindi man dyan basta-basta makakapasok. Ano ka muna.
Dati ko yung gusto ko.
Nursing talaga. Bagay din naman sa'yo nursing.
Ano mo, nag-aaral ka ng tourism. Yan, habang nag-aaral ka ng tourism, pwede ka mag-apply
Pero ako gusto mo talaga yun, nursing.
Qualifying siya.
Pang-una mo yun.
backup kang sponsor.
Piloto.
O may backup kang sponsor.
Ay, si Kuya Edo.
Dyan pag piloto ang backup mo.
Oo, basta
Kuya Edo.
connection. Kaya yun yan basta may backup. Kasi dito, ang FA dito, backup talaga.
Totoo.
Hindi din makakapasok kung wala kang backup.
May bakit ka talaga.
Pero kung mag-nurse ka tapos mag-FA ka, mas maganda yun. Nurse ka tapos FA ka ba?
Pero kadalasan naman, mga sobrang galing naman na FA, ano yan, international yan.
Yan, oo.
Qatar Airlines,
Yan, maganda yan.
Emirates.
Maganda ang beauty niya, mga pang beauty niya.
Hindi, ano kasi, pag yung mga ganyang international Qatar, sila yung hindi tumitingin talaga sa ano. Basta matangkad.
Tangkad, okay na yun.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall.
Oxydo, puro live yun.
Family bonding.
Family bonding
With
with happy. Future family. Ni
Mga
happy.
in-laws.
Grabe yun.
Busy yata kay Jomar eh.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Yan si Jane Batalero Alzula.
Ready? Yan si James. Uy, nikilig yun. Family talaga yun. No? Family affair yun. Yun yung tawag
Oo.
na. Family trip.
Ganda nun.
Family trip. In Legazpi.
The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Ayan po. Second. Ano ulit? Pin-up shot pa.
Ganda nung naka-violet siya.
Ang galing nga niya ito.
Galing ko kayo mag-ano. Thank you.
Ang galing lahat.
Maganda natin mag-prenup sa
Hi.
Sige lang. Kita.
Pin-up shot. Hire mo.
Basta be ready sa pagod.
Okay lang yun.
Hanap mo na akong brand.
Ayan po. Another one na set. Ang photoshoot po.
Now the morning is the afternoon. Nasa akin ang minsay